In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check what things sold for on eBay by viewing completed eBay auctions. This can be incredibly useful whether you're a seller trying to set competitive prices or a buyer wanting to ensure you're getting a fair deal. I'm going to walk you through this step-by-step process, so by the end of this video you'll feel confident navigating eBay to find the information you need. First things first, you'll want to log into your eBay account. Having an account allows you to access advanced features and keep track of your searches, making the process smoother and more efficient. Once you're logged in, head over to the search bar, which you'll find prominently displayed at the top of the page. Here you'll type in the item name or relevant keywords related to what you're looking to research. Be as specific as possible to narrow down the results to the most relevant listings. Next, it's time to refine your search. This is crucial because it helps you filter out unnecessary listings and focus only on those that match your criteria. To do this, find the Advanced link, which is usually located in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on Advanced will take you to a page with a variety of options for fine-tuning your search results. One important thing to note about this page is the difference between completed items and sold items. Completed items include all listings that have ended, whether an item sold or not, while sold items displays only the auctions where the item was actually purchased. Depending on your needs, you might choose one over the other. For pricing insights, sold items can offer a clearer picture of actual market values, while completed items might help gauge how frequently and at what prices items don't sell. Once you've selected your criteria, scroll down and hit the search button. This action prompts eBay to generate a list of completed or sold listings based on the filters you applied. Finally, take a look at the list eBay displays. What you'll see are detailed entries of past listings, including crucial details like the final selling price, the date of sale, and even the format of the sale, whether it was an auction or a buy it now listing. This comprehensive view allows you to determine the value and demand for specific items, giving you a significant edge in both selling and buying on eBay. With this information at your fingertips, you'll be much better prepared to navigate eBay's marketplace confidently and strategically. So, happy searching, and I hope this guide helps you become a more informed participant in the eBay community. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.